The phrase Michio Kaku panicking keeps popping up in YouTube titles and X posts, like a video from February 16, 2025, claiming he's freaking out over JWST's mind-bending revelations. Spoiler, Kaku's not panicking. That's hype, not reality. He's a physicist and communicator, not a guy losing sleep over data. What's behind it? The JWST's 2023 find of 6 massive galaxies, spotted 500 to 700 million years post-Big Bang, from the SEWER survey. These beasts, some rivaling the Milky Way's 100 billion solar masses, are too big and too smooth for their age under standard cosmology. Kaku's called this a textbook rewriting moment on NBC News Now, February 2023, but his tone was geeked up, not unhinged. The edge of the universe bit. Not a literal edge, space doesn't have a fence. It's about distance and time. JWST's infrared eyes catch light from 13.5 billion years ago, near the Big Bang's afterglow. Those galaxies, at redshifts 7.4 to 8.7, are from the cosmic dawn, when the universe was a toddler, just 3 to 5% of its current 13.8 billion year age. Finding grown-up galaxies then is like spotting a skyscraper in a prehistoric swamp. Kaku's not panicking over an edge, he's jazzed about what it means for galaxy formation. Did they grow faster, or are our models off? No fresh JWST bombshell hit by March 2025 to spark new Kaku meltdowns. X chatter from late February leans on the same 2023 data, juiced up with dramatic flair. He's consistently framed it as a puzzle, not a crisis. Maybe dark matter clumped quicker, or star formation went into overdrive. Panic? Nah. He's doing his job, hyping the wonder, not running scared. Point 1. The claim, Kaku panicking. The panicking tag is tied to Michio Kaku, a theoretical physicist and science popularizer, think hyperspace or his TV spots. You'll see it in clickbait like a February 2025 YouTube video titled "Kaku loses IT over JWST's shocking find," or X posts saying he's shaken. Reality check, Kaku's not panicking. He's not pacing his office, sweating bullets. This stems from his comments on JWST discoveries, like a February 2023 NBC News Now interview where he said they're upsetting the apple cart of cosmology. His vibe? Excited, not unhinged. The panic is a marketing spin to hook you. Kaku's playing his role, amplifying the wow factor. 2. The discovery, JWST's galactic surprise. What's got everyone buzzing? The James Webb Space Telescope, launched December 2021, spotted 6 massive galaxies in its SEWER survey, published in Nature, February 2023. These galaxies existed 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang, way earlier than expected for such heavyweights. Key details. Mass, some pack 10 to 100 billion solar masses. Compare that to the Milky Way's 60 billion, built over 13 billion years. Age, redshifts of 7.4 to 8.7 mean their light's 13.1 to 13.3 billion years old. We're seeing them as they were when the universe was tiny, 3 to 5% of its 13.8 billion year age. Structure, they're smoother, more disk-like than the chaotic blobs we predicted for baby galaxies. Standard cosmology, Lambda CDM model, says galaxies start small, million solar mass seeds, merging slowly over eons. These are giants, acting mature way too soon. Kaku's not panicking over this. He's thrilled. It's a chance to rethink how fast galaxies grow or if our early universe physics needs a tweak. 3. Edge of the universe explained. The edge phrase trips people up. It's not a wall or cliff. Space is infinite, or loops weirdly, per some theories, but we can only see so far. Light travel time, the universe is 13.8 billion years old. Light from farther than 13.8 billion light-years hasn't reached us yet. JWST pushes that limit, catching photons from 13.5 billion years ago. Cosmic horizon, the farthest observable stuff, galaxies, quasars, forms a sphere around us, stretched by expansion to 46 billion light-years away, thanks, inflation. That's the edge in headlines, the oldest, most distant light we can grab. These galaxies, at 500 to 700 million years post-Big Bang, they're not at the absolute edge. Cosmic microwave background, 13.8 billion years back, is closer, but they're damn near it, early enough to challenge our timeline. Kaku's not spooked by an edge, he knows it's a time boundary, not a place. He's jazzed because it's like peering into the universe's baby photos and finding toddlers instead of newborns. 4. Why it's a big deal. This discovery pokes holes in expectations. Galaxy formation. Did pristine gas collapse faster? Did supermassive black holes seed them quick? Current models say it takes billions of years to hit Milky Way size, not 500 million. Dark matter, it drives clumping. Maybe it worked overtime early on, or its properties shifted. Big Bang tweaks, the core theory's fine, but the aftermath, how structure formed, might need adjusting. Kaku's textbook rewrite quip means refining details, not torching the book. As of March 2025, no new JWST bombshell has dropped to reignite this. X posts from February lean on the 2023 data, hyped anew. Kaku's take hasn't shifted, it's a puzzle, not a meltdown. 5. Kaku's real reaction. Kaku's a showman, he loves big ideas. In 2023, he said JWST forces us to rethink the early universe, hinting at new physics like faster cosmic evolution. No panic, just his signature flair. Picture him grinning, not grimacing. On X, he's been quiet on this lately. Last JWST mention I can verify is mid-2024, praising its clarity, but his public vibe stays. This is why science rocks. The panicking is others projecting onto his enthusiasm. 6. What's next? By March 2025, JWST's still scanning. More data might confirm these galaxies, ruling out lensing errors, or find others, pushing the debate. Kaku's not sweating, he's waiting for the next clue, ready to spin it into a story. No cosmic crisis, just a crack in the playbook. In short, let's dive even deeper into this Michio Kaku panicking over James Webb's discovery at the edge of the universe narrative. I'll expand on the JWST's findings, Kaku's take, the science behind those early galaxies, and what edge really means, loaded with specifics, fresh as of March 1, 2025. 1. Kaku's stance, no panic, pure excitement. Michio Kaku, string theorist, futurist, media regular, doesn't panic. He thrives on cosmic curveballs. The panicking trope traces to his February 2023 NBC News Now chat, reacting to JWST's Galaxy Haul. He said, "This is upsetting the apple cart. We may have to rewrite the textbooks." His tone? Gleeful, not frantic. X posts in February 2025, e.g., Kaku in shock, on February 20th, and YouTube vids, like JWST breaks physics, twist that into distress, it's bait. Kaku's latest verifiable JWST comment, a July 2024 podcast, calls it a window into creation, hyping its potential to unlock the universe's secrets. He's a hype man, not a doomsayer. 2. The JWST discovery, galactic giants. The James Webb Space Telescope Sewer Survey, public release, February 2023, Nature, found 6 galaxies that defy logic. When, 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang, redshifts 7.4 to 8.7. Light left them 13.1 to 13.3 billion years ago, we're seeing cosmic infancy. Mass spectroscopy pegs them at 10 to the power of 10 to 10 to the power of 11 solar masses, 10 to 100 billion suns. 1. Source 1019, rivals the Milky Way's heft. Look, NIRCam images show disks, not the clumpy, irregular proto-galaxies expected. Star formation rates hit 10 to 100 solar masses per year, Milky Way's at 1 to 2 now. Oddity, by 700 million years, models predict galaxies topping out at 10·8 solar masses, 100 million suns, merging slowly. These are 100 to 1,000 times too big. This isn't a fluke. JWST's infrared precision, 1.3 to 2.1 microns, cuts through dust, nailing their age and mass. Follow-ups by March 2025, e.g., APJ papers, rule out most errors like gravitational lensing exaggeration. 3. Edge of the universe unpacked. The edge isn't a place, it's a time horizon. Observable limit, the universe is 13.8 billion years old. Light speed caps what we see. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, at 13.8 billion years back, is the true edge, the Big Bang's echo. JWST can't reach that, it sees 200 million years post-bang onward. These galaxies, at 500 to 700 million years, they're among the oldest objects JWST can resolve, 13.5 billion light-years away in travel time, stretched to 30 billion light-years by expansion. Not the CMB, but damn close to the universe's first light-ups. Why edge sticks? Pop science loves it, it evokes mystery. Kaku uses it poetically, e.g., edge of creation in a 2023 clip, meaning as far back as we can peek. No physical boundary, just the farthest, faintest glow we've snagged. 4. The cosmic headache. These galaxies mess with the Lambda CDM model, cold dark matter plus dark energy. Formation speed, simulations, e.g., Illustris TNG, say galaxies grow via hierarchical merging, small clumps, 10⁻⁶, 10⁻⁸ solar masses, by z equals 8, 600 million years, scaling up over billions of years. These skip steps, fully formed too fast. Star power, 100 solar masses/year needs dense gas and minimal feedback. Supernovae usually slow star birth. Maybe early conditions, pure hydrogen, no metals, supercharged it. Dark matter, it seeds galaxies. Did it clump denser or faster at high redshift? Or did gravity tweak rules back then? Kaku's textbook rewrite isn't scrapping CDM, it's about adjusting knobs, formation rates, dark matter dynamics, or even inflation's tail end. No crisis, just a nudge. 5. Kaku's spin. Kaku's not a JWST team member, he's a commentator. His take. 2023, these galaxies shouldn't exist this early, it's a wake-up call. He speculated on faster cosmic evolution or new physics, a stretch, he loves grand leaps. 2024, on the Joe Rogan Experience, July 2024, he tied it to JWST's broader haul, we're seeing the universe's baby pictures, and they're not what we drew. No panic, pure wonder. March 2025, no fresh quotes, but ex-chatter, February 25th to 28th, recycles his old lines, claiming he's reeling. He's not, he's consistent, this is thrilling science. He'd probably say it's the universe laughing at our arrogance, not a breakdown. 6. Latest context, March 2025. No game changer since 2023's find. JWST's kept churning. More galaxies, by late 2024, dozens more at z greater than 7 confirm the trend, big, bright, early. A December 2024 Nature Astronomy paper ups the count to 15 plus in Source alone. Debate, some argue they're misread, e.g., active black holes boosting light, but spectra hold, these are stellar masses, not illusions. Kaku silence, no public freakout, his last X post, February 10, 2025, was about AI, not JWST. The panic is old news reheated. 7. What's cooking? Scientists, not Kaku, are testing. Simulations, updated models, e.g., Fire 3, tweak star formation efficiency, maybe 10% of gas turned to stars, not 1%. Observations, JWST's 2025 Q targets Z greater than 10, earlier than 500 million years, to trace the buildup. If tinier seeds show up, the mystery shrinks. Kaku's watching, not wailing, ready to narrate the next chapter. Wrap up. Kaku's not panicking, he's pumped. JWST found galactic hulks near the edge, aka cosmic dawn, 13.5 billion years back, shaking formation theories. It's a riddle, not ruin. Want galaxy pics, math, or Kaku's wildest guess?